Looking to level up your cooking skills? We've got you. Welcome to Sauce Skills, where today you'll be learning how to make a gastrique.
If you don't know this, a gastrique is a French sauce base combining sweet and sour elements such as sugar and vinegar for a balanced sweet and acidic flavor profile. Now grab your apron because things are about to get seriously saucy in here. I'm Sarah, and today I'm making sea scallops with orange, sage, and cranberry gastrique with garlicky mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to make 2 servings in about 15 minutes. The first step is to squeeze your orange juice into a small pan. And I'm just holding my hand underneath this orange as well to catch any seeds, just in case there might be some. Now you are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar into the pan. Remember, this pan is off heat right now. 1/4 cup of water. You'll add your vinegar, your stock concentrate. You're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter. And now we're gonna bring this to simmer over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, you actually wanna give this a good whisk. Get everything nicely incorporated here until you really can't see any of the stock concentrate or the sugar. Fun fact, the word gastrique was actually derived from the word gastric, which refers to your digestive process. Now we're gonna let the sauce gently simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes here. Make sure that you're stirring this pretty frequently until it is slightly thickened and is reduced to about 2/3. If it reduces too much, don't stress. You can always add extra water, just like a splash at a time, until it kind of bounces back to that original consistency that we were looking for. All right, so I think the sauce is where we want it to be. We're gonna do the spoon test just to check. Take the back of a spoon and just kind of drag it through the sauce. Run your finger down the middle of the sauce. You'll see how it's still clinging to the spoon, but it did make that nice little well. This is the texture we are looking for. So now that the sauce is nice and thick, we're going to pour this into a bowl. Get all the tasty bits in there. Into this bowl, we're going to add 1 ounce of roughly chopped dried cranberries, 1 teaspoon of finely sliced fresh sage, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh orange zest. Stir it all up, get everything nice and incorporated, and voila, you have a gastrique. My advice for plating the sauce would be to make sure you hit the top of the scallops with the sauce, but then also kind of drizzle around the plate. Even hit the areas of the plate where you don't see any of the food, so then you can really show off your gastrique sauce. Now we're gonna take a bite. That's so good.